What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today we want to learn how to make this really simple credits on screen where there's 4 quadrants. As you can see, click this and it's 4 quadrants. How did I click that and why did it go so fast? Normally you'd have to scale each of these individually, but today we're using a cool plugin that makes it a lot faster. Let's get started. So we have our one text line here that's directed by myself, whatever, another one, director of photography, a buddy of mine, and we want all 4 of these. So I've made 2 more comps with different credits, and then new composition, let's just call it credit 2, and click OK. Then we're going to drag all 4 of those comps from After Effects into the timeline. It does it like so, and it's all stacked on top. Now, like I said before, you could just scale all these down, move them to 4 quadrants, and you're good to go. No problem. But the pay-to-win way is using Grid Maker. If you like Grid and you want a link to it, just comment Grid down below, and I'll send it to you. So it's a custom plugin made by myself and my team, and all you have to do is highlight your 4 quadrants. And here, let's do 2 by 2, and it organizes them just like so. Now, if you want the director in the top left and vice versa, just make sure that your first comp is at the top, and that'll put the first one in the top left quadrant. Make sure they're organized correctly, and then 2 by 2. Just like so, here it is. Now, this goes even further. If we had more comps and we wanted to do like a 3 by 3, it would do it like so. So as you can see, it would just list them all out. Now all of a sudden the comp is vertical. How does it handle vertical? No problem, just do 2 by 2. It does the same thing, but now the comps are too big. We need to do it differently. Let's do 4 rows. Just like so, it does the credits. By just clicking 4 rows inside of Grid Maker, it knows where everything is. And that is how you do it. As always guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a part of the channel. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And go check out Grid Maker today. Peace.
And right before we finish up, I'll plug it one more time. Feel free to check out filmit.io. It is a resource for creatives made by creatives, aka me and a small team of developers.